Hey guys, I am heading into Costco and today I am looking for new arrivals for the month of July. It's so hot today that I may have to walk inside the big produce refrigerator just to cool off. Hope everyone is having a lovely day, stay cool, and of course, more importantly, stay hydrated. Give this video a thumbs up and well, let's get right to it. I just spotted some new ice cream bars at Costco. These right here are by Jonny Pops, probably one of my favorite brands. It's organic and it's the Organic Summer Sunrise. So you get 18 bars selling for $12.59. I noticed these are also pretty low calorie. One pops around 60 calories. And in terms of sizing from the picture, it seems like it's bigger than the one I purchased that was on sale. I think it was like the cherry limeade or something, cherry lemonade. I still have those in the refrigerator. I'm still kind of eating them. Those are smaller. These look a little bigger in terms of portions, so I'm hoping to try these soon. Okay, so I'll be honest with you. I've never tried avocado ice cream, and this one's from the brand called Maven's. There's no artificial flavors in here, and it seems like a 2-pack is currently selling for $16. Let me know what you guys think of this ice cream if anyone's tried it here. 2/3 of a cup is around 210 calories. It says 13 grams of fat, 21 carbs, 19 grams of sugar, and then 4 grams of protein. I'm loving all the different options that Costco has right now with the ice cream bars. Here's another new one. It's Magnum Ice Cream, and these are their mini bars, and I actually like that. The flavor is double caramel, and it's milk chocolate, by the way. I initially thought it was dark chocolate, but it's milk. This one's currently selling for $14. And let's see here. I'm interested in knowing how many calories per bar. So 160 calories per bar, 10 grams of fat, 16 carbs, 2 grams of protein, around 14 grams of sugar. So just keep those things in mind. But I do like that Costco brought out the mini version. I have tried the original size one. My brother likes them. But for me, it's just it's just too much. They're definitely on the sweet side, but they do taste quite good. Here is another interesting new find, and this one is organic whole coconut pressed juice. It comes in a 6-pack, or you get 6 bottles, I should say. And this one is selling for $12.89. Seems like the brand is called Coco Mio, and one bottle is around 120 calories, 7 grams of sugar. I did notice on the front it said no added sugar. And then here are the ingredients: organic coconut water and organic coconut pulp. Seems like a pretty good option. I also spotted this dining set that is of 9 pieces, but this time around, this one's perfect for the little ones. So I found it going for $20 and you are getting 9 pieces in total. Let me show you what's inside of this set. Here it is. You have 3 trays with 3 different compartments. You have the little cups as well with their lids, and then you also get 3 bowls. Here are the measurements, and then also the cups, they hold up to 7 ounces in liquid. Here is another new arrival I just spotted, and this one's by Circle, and it comes with 8 different flavors for your water, including like Island Punch. You have Black Cherry, and then also Fruit Punch. This one's going currently for $30, and you do have one bottle that is included of 22 ounces. It does have a wide mouth, and currently it's selling for $30. And yes, these little flavor enhancers are pretty much 0 calories and 0 grams of sugar. I'm starting to notice more Costco's are getting these all-purpose bowls. You get 4 of them in each box, and they're not only perfect for like pasta, but also for salad and of course soup. These are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and they're currently selling for $10. They actually had the bowls here on display, and so this is what they look like. They're of a pretty decent size and definitely all-purpose. I've used one of these laundry stands before, and they can definitely be helpful, not only to like hang your clothes to help them dry, especially with like delicate fabric, but also even to just hang your clothes if you want to. You know, when you take them out the dryer, you're not going to necessarily fold them right away. So this one, I found it going for $30. It is new and it's very lightweight, 5.5 pounds. I was actually able to remove it from this huge box with just one hand. So I did want to show you how light it is, but it seems like it's pretty easy to set up and could be a great option for some people. I'm not sure why, but seeing new pens and markers at Costco always makes me like super excited. So these are markers that, will write on light and dark paper, and the color's supposed to be bright enough for it to like pop out, even like if you have like a dark background. So I thought that was pretty cool. 10 acrylic markers and 4 bright gel pens currently selling for $19. And so these are medium point gel pens, 4 of them again. These are pretty cool colors. I'm wondering if these would be great for like, I'm thinking like science fair projects, maybe more geared towards someone that's currently in high school. This would make such an awesome purchase. This cooler caught my attention because it's an iceless electric compressor cooler. So this is what it looks like. It's of a pretty decent size. But again, what caught my attention is that you don't need ice for this. So I would say it's a little bit even like a refrigerator slash freezer. It has 2 different ways that you can actually charge it. You can see it has a DC input. And then I was reading you can actually charge it in your home or in your car. And then here are some of the little functions that it has as well. I also noticed online it has amazing reviews. And right now at the store, at least, it's selling for $700 and it's of 83 quarts. Has anyone tried this Root Lift Thickening Spray? It's a spray throughout the scalp and hair for overall fullness. This sounds very promising. It's by Nexxus, and I noticed it's also from the same line, the Unbreakable care line, that they brought out with their shampoo and conditioner. 2 bottles going for the price of $20. And it says here it lifts the roots and visibly thicken hair strands, protects hair from heat and breakage as well. I'm looking forward to trying this one as well. I'm hoping that the shampoo and conditioner and the spray goes on sale at the same time so we can just grab the whole combo pack. I just realized that this cleansing oil, the price of it is the same as 1 bottle of cleansing oil that I recently purchased somewhere else. So this is a great price. Look at this, $30 for 2 full-size bottles. And these really are full-size, 6.7 fluid ounces. It's quite a bit. And then 1 smaller bottle of 1.8 fluid ounces, like perfect for travel. This one also removes your makeup, dirt, and impurities. And it's infused with 14 plant oils. Here's another new arrival, and this one's by the Curl Experts. It's a 24/7 frizz fighting trio, and apparently these are some of their best sellers. Has anyone tried this one before? It's selling for $50 currently. Let me show you guys here the 3 bottles. So it's the defreezing shampoo, you also have a conditioner, and then you also get a gel, which is their advanced climate control gel. ROC just came out with this 3-in-1 serum stick. It's apparently easy to use and fast absorbing. This one has retinol in it, so it's selling for $40 and it comes in a 2-pack. It reduces fine lines, hydrates, and then also smooths the skin. You can apply this one on your face, neck, chest, and then also in your back. These men's slip-on shoes are also new to Costco, and I do love the 2 different color options they came out with. These brown ones would go great with like jeans or even black pants. The brand is called Izod, and these are selling for $25 right now. They do have sizes 8 through 13. And so this is what they look like. That's the bottom part of the shoe, but again, these are slip-on, so that can be definitely very convenient. Also, these are very lightweight, and there is a second color option. I spotted the Kids Garden tool set. This one is so cute, and it's by Miracle-Gro. I like that they also include seeds. So if you find yourself doing your gardening work, and then also you have a little one, and they're constantly like with you, and they want to join you, this is a great way for them to like do their own activity. It's selling for $37. And here are some of the seeds that are included. And here it is on display. This is so nice. It's my first time noticing this instant bone broth, and it has 10 grams of protein, including 5 grams of collagen. It's beef flavored, and it is also grass fed. So this one's selling right now for $11. You do get 12 little sticks or packets. 1 packet is 50 calories, 10 grams of protein. And a lot of people are going to be interested here in the ingredients. So it's first ingredient, beef bone broth powder. You have chicory root fiber in here, apple cider, and then these are little packets. So you can add 1 stick and you can add it as a seasoning, or drink it, with a cup of water as a bone broth. I remember a long time ago, I tried these Quest tortilla style protein chips, and I remember I tried a couple different flavors, the nacho cheese ones. If I remember correctly, those were my favorite. They tasted very similar to Doritos. 8-ounce bag, currently selling for $11. Quest is pretty much known to bring stuff out that is higher in protein. 1 ounce, around 130 calories. 5 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs. So you can see even like carbs is like much reduced compared to like regular chips. And then here are the ingredients, but it does have around 16 grams of protein per each serving. I spotted a new flavor by Premier Protein. This is their Cake Batter Delight. I don't think I've ever had this one. I do remember I used to, like a long time ago, I used to purchase the vanilla and chocolate one through Sam's Club. But this one, it's an 18-pack, 11 fluid ounces, and they're currently selling for $30. If you like Cheez-Its and Pringles, you may actually be very excited about this classic combo pack. You get 40 of them, and you can see it has 3 different kinds of the Cheez-Its. Some of them are like the double cheese ones, others are the extra toasty. 40 bags selling for $14. Here are the nutrition facts. They are anywhere between 100 to 150 calories. I'm not gonna lie, my mouth waters just looking at this. These are Cheetos Popcorn Flamin Hot. I want to say I've tried these because I've tried a lot of the Flamin Hot products. Those were like my previous addiction. But this bag is a 15.87 ounces. I mean, it all counts. And this one's selling for $7. Honestly, it's hardly ever that one is able to find like Flamin Hot Cheetos. I don't think I've ever seen Flamin Hot Fun-Ins at Costco, but the products are very limited unless you buy them in the little combo pack and they're like tiny bags. But the popcorn one, I don't even think I've seen it in those combo bags. So this is a pretty nice find. Here are some other new arrivals through Costco.com. This one is a 24-inch stacked Halloween greeter. This is probably one of the cutest ones I've seen. Adorable. It's selling for $60, and of course it's meant for indoor use only, but this one has been hand painted. Very nice. It's a 10-foot animated alien. It's selling for $250. I was actually trying to read the title and then also look at the images at the same time, but this little guy is tall. Wow. So he has LED glowing lights, motion sensor activated. Oh, Jesus. The giant groundbreaking skeleton. This one has a lot of great reviews. 4.9 out of 5 stars, $330. You have the LED glowing eyes, motion sensor activated, and plays haunting sounds. I think I saw this one on display and it was pretty scary. So this is what it looks like. You have here an animated skeleton tombstone with lights and music. Okay, this is cute for the Day of the Dead. Or, of course, Halloween. It's selling for $80. 35.8 inches, motion sensor activated. Also plays music. The Squishmallows 20-inch The Nightmare Before Christmas plush. These are selling for $33. Let's take a look at the different ones that they have. They have Jack Skellington. They have Zero and Oogie Boogie. Again, these are selling for $33. The Squishmallows 4-inch ornament. They come in an 8-pack. I don't think I've seen these in the warehouse. I know eventually we'll bump into them, but they have the holiday one. I think I've seen this one, the animal one, a couple months back, and then the winter one. These are so cute. They're selling for $24. We're also starting to see some costumes available online. This one is El Día de los Muertos child costume. It's selling for $36. This is really nice. They have sizes 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. This one is the Midnight Witch Princess Child costume. It's selling for $36. This is really nice too. You get the little broom. You have the witch hat. I really like this baker set. If this arrives to my warehouse, we're going to be in serious trouble. So it's a 3-piece baker set, oven to table, and it's selling for $60. I do wish the price was a little lower. I'm wondering how much lower it's going to be in the warehouse. But these chickens are adorable. This is really nice. The Green Pan Duo Pro Ceramic Non-Stick 3-piece fry pan set. I think this time they really nailed it with the colors. I'm liking these colors and the gold handle. That is really nice. These are also going to be quite dangerous for me. Selling for $60 right now. And they say they're oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. A new rope basket, and this one's selling for $22. You do have grip handles on the sides. And then this is a new shampoo also listed online. It's Nature Republic Argan Essential Deep Care Shampoo, 33.8 fluid ounces. And so far it has 3 reviews and people are giving it like 5 stars. So very interesting. It's selling for $29.
And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.